name's Chris. I've packed my trusty dog, Frank, and we're going on a camping trip this weekend. Gross. Oh, he's gonna hit me.
Initially, we were scheduled for a campsite down at Lake Bonnie by the riverside. Unfortunately, since we were last there, they've changed how the camping system works, so instead we settled for Camp 12 at Cobdogla.
Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make the easiest meal ever when camping.
Alright, as you can see, we're behind the scenes with MR Triton. This afternoon, just cooking up a storm.
Dash of oil. And the more oil you spill on the back of your car, the better, because it protects from rust. Yeah, it's on.
Yeah, she's going, mate.
Alright, here's the pan. Slap your meat in there. Chuck that in the bin bag when we can. Nicely, otherwise it'll be too mushy. And then what we're going to do is add the seasoning and the rest of the ingredients.
He's a professional, folks. You actually run a very tight ship here, mate. This is peak efficiency.
Free cut, bro. Free cut.
Well, that looks like a pretty good chili con carne, if you ask me. It's more like a chili con can, to be honest.
Oh, God.
So today is the dog's raw food day. So as controversial as it may be for some people, today he's got a full serve of just raw chicken.
After filling our bellies full of food and sweet, sweet golden nectar, we decided to take it easy, light a fire, and hype ourselves up for what was going to be a big day tomorrow.
Good morning, guys. So this morning we ploughed through all those muddy pits to get back out of campsite. Again, forget the name of the campsite, but I'll put it up on the screen for you. We're on to Loveday this morning, so GPS says it's only about 15 minutes away from where we camped.
So to make your way to Loveday, you got to go down this dirt road. You'll know you're going the right way because of all the ads and signage. you turn left here, follow this massive dirt road all the way down, it turns right. Once you get towards the end, you'll know you're in the right place because you'll meet up by the TAV, which is where you sign in, give your deets, and start your adventure.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling it. Full stretch. There it is. Crack them old joints.
It's a bit more momentum, or a different line, or a locker.
Yeah, I just have that damn traction control that doesn't stop interfering.
And the best thing about that is that he's done that obstacle fast enough that he's going to make it to the school to pick up his kids and take them to soccer.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, your bar is in the ground.
Oh, geez.
Roll back now, and then I'll put it under this wheel here.
Car. So here we are, we've effectively made it to the end of the Loveday track. It's been a bit of an adventure, lost a little bit of gear, got a few electrical gremlins with the newly installed rear bar, which is going to have to go back into the shop. But yeah, we did it, we made it, all safe and sound. Time to tick that off the bucket list. I don't even know which one's the chicken track. This one? Ah.